Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Cottagecore simple home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. A Cottagecore simple home decor is all about creating a warm, cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels natural, uncluttered and charmingly rustic. It embraces simplicity with touches of comfort and nostalgia. Overall, the Cottagecore is about simplicity, comfort, and a lived-in charm. Nothing overly polished, just warm and welcoming. Let's go deeper into Cottagecore simple home decor so you can really imagine how it shapes a home. The essence of Cottagecore decor, it is a style that blends simplicity, charm, and comfort, making your home feel relaxed and lived in, rather than styled like a showroom. It celebrates imperfections and everyday beauty. The idea is home should feel like a gentle hug. Key characteristics: uncluttered but cozy. Unlike minimalist decor, cottage style allows for warmth and layering. In a state of empty space, think of cozy nooks, reading corners, or small decorative clusters. Gentle color story: use whites, creams, and pale neutrals from the base. Use soft, natural tones like shades, sky blue, lavender, butter yellow. Bring freshness. This palette reflects country skies, fields, and gardens. Use natural and handcrafted touches, wood floors or rustic furniture. Painted or weathered, use handmade items like crochet, pottery, or quilt. Create soul and personality. Basket storage feels organic and adds texture. Childborn and Pintersville furniture doesn't need to be perfect. A slightly distressed chair or chipped enamel adds charm. Flower market finds and second-hand pieces fit perfectly here. Textures for comfort: soft throw blankets, fluffy pillows, and cotton slip covers. Use layered rugs like jute or a smaller patterned one top. Falling linen curtains that catch the breeze. Touches of nature: a vase of wildflowers served in terracotta pots or dried lavender bundles. Its seasonal greenery keeps the decor alive and ever-changing. Practical yet beautiful, everyday items can be part of the decor. Besides, on open shelves, basket of air clusters with pantry staples, function and charm go hand in hand. The feeling it creates: a cottage in a smart home feels inviting. Guests feel instantly comfortable, nostalgic, reminds you of simpler times or visit to a countryside home. Serene, soft colors and natural elements reduce stress. Personal, filled with meaningful, collected or handmade items. Think of it as a place where nothing is too fancy. Everything has a story, and the beauty lies in the small details. A deeper look into Cottagecore simple home decor, atmosphere and mood, relaxed and lived in. Nothing feels too precious. Tipped mugs, mismatched plates, or old walls are welcome because they tell a story. Gentle and solo. The home encourages a slower rhythm. Tea by the window, reading by lamplight, or listening to rain on the roof. Cheerful and light even on a cloudy day, the soft colors and cozy textures make the space feel warm and optimistic. Core elements of the style: furniture, often simple, wooden, and comfortable, rather than ornate or sleek. Slip-covered chairs, spindle-back dining chairs, or a vintage dresser with peeling paint. Decor: small touches like embroidered cushions, hand-shone pottery, lace toilets, and painted picture frames. Fabrics: use natural fabrics like linen, cotton, and wool in plain floral or gingham patterns. Layering textiles makes rooms softer and warmer. Floors and walls: wood floors painted white or left natural, soft rugs, light pastels or whitewashed walls. Wallpaper with subtle floral prints is common. Everyday beauty: cottage style turns ordinary objects into decor. A basket of apples on the counter, herbs drying on hooks in the kitchen. Use a stack of folded quilts at the end of the bed. Fresh picked flowers in a glass jar. It is about celebrating simplicity and usefulness in a beautiful way. Seasonal variations: spring or summer, use fresh flowers, floral prints, airy curtains, and lighter colors. Autumn or winter, old rose, candles, dried flowers, warm earthy colors. This makes the home feel alive and connected to the natural world outside. The sensory experience side: use soft colors, layers of textures, and natural light. Touch cozy fabrics, smooth wood, and warm ceramics. Smell: fresh flowers, baked bread, herbal tea, and lavender shades. Sound: a crackling fire, rain tapping on windows, or a clock ticking softly. The spirit of Cottagecore at its heart. Cottagecore decor is not about buying specific items, it is about creating warmth and belonging. A place where imperfections are beautiful, a home that feels personal, soulful, and lovingly tended. A reminder that simple things, a vase of flowers, a cozy blanket, a handmade mug, can bring the greatest joy. The heart of Cottagecore's simple decor philosophy behind it. It is not just a style, it is a way of living. A cottage home whispers, life can be simple, gentle, and beautiful. Instead of perfection, it values warmth, character, and authenticity. Core visual identity: colors, use soft whites, gentle creams, natural palettes like she's green, sky blue, buttered yellow, and lavender. Furniture: humble, practical, often painted or slightly worn, even nick or scratch adds charm. Textures: cotton slipcovers, crocheted toilets, handmade quilts, wooden wood, and wicker baskets. Patterns: use florals, gingham, small checks, and delicate stripes that feel cozy and cheerful. The everyday as decoration: one of the most unique things about cottage style is that daily life becomes decor. Teacups on open shelves, a knitted throat chopped casually on a chair, a bowl of fruit as a centerpiece, rainbows by the door. Nothing feels staged, it is lived in beauty. emotional feelings it creates. Nostalgia reminds you of childhood visits to grandma's house or countryside holidays. Comfort, a soft place to land at the end of the day. Serenity, use natural light, flowers, and gentle colors calm the mind. Warmth, guests feel instantly welcome, like they are being hugged by the space. Seasonal layers, cottage style adapts beautifully to the rhythm of the year. Spring, use fresh flowers, light linens, and pastel shades. Summer, use open windows, wicker baskets, garden product on display. Autumn, use warm candles, knitted blankets, and earthy tones. Winter, firelight, layered coils, jar flowers, and cozy lamps. This constant refreshing makes the home feel alive and soulful. The soul of the style at its heart, Cottagecore Decor is about simplicity over luxury, comfort over perfection, memories over trends, nature over artificiality. It is a home that doesn't try too hard but feels rich with love and life. Cottageville, a lifestyle, not just a style, the philosophy. Cottage style living emphasizes slowness, mindfulness, and comfort. It is about embracing life's simple pleasures, a warm cup of tea, morning sunlight, soft fabrics, and the scent of flowers. Imperfections are celebrated, chipped paint, slightly faded fabrics, or mismatched furniture. All tell a story. Textures and materials old. Use natural, painted, or distressed wood for furniture and floors. Fabrics. Use linen, cotton, wool, crochet, and lace create layers of warmth. Embracing imperfections. Cottage style is perfectly imperfect. Scratches on paint and window spaces are celebrated. Each item tells a story, a handmade vase, a family quilt, or an old wooden chair. Every item has purpose and charm. Use a wicker basket, storing yarn towels as decor. A teapot on open shelves looks beautiful and is ready to use. Kitchen jars of grains, pasta, or beans displayed neatly feel both practical and decorative. The emotional experience, comforting and welcoming, guests instantly feel at home. Nostalgic and timeless, reminds you of childhood, countryside visits, or family traditions. Peaceful and solo-packed, encourages mindfulness and savoring small moments. Personal and thoughtful, handmade, vintage, and collected items makes the home uniquely yours. Lifestyle integration. Cottage style decor is not just about looks, it is about living in harmony with the home. Cooking, baking, and crafting, and joyful activities. Quiet corners for reading, knitting, or journaling enhance relaxation. Spaces are adaptable for everyday life, reflecting comfort and practicality. Cottageville Simple Decor is about slowing down, appreciating small details, and creating a home that is lived in, warm, and soulful. It is a blend of comfort, nostalgia, nature, and handmade beauty. Emotional and physiological effect. Comforting and nurturing, nostalgia makes you feel at home. Nostalgic evokes memories of family, countryside, or simpler times. Serene and mindful, encourages slowing down, appreciating small pleasures. Personalized, handmade printers or meaningful items make the space uniquely yours. Cottagecore Simple Home Decor is not just a visual style, but a lifestyle and an atmosphere. It is about creating a home cozy, soulful home where every object, picture, and color contributes to comfort, nostalgia, and natural beauty. Cottagecore Simple Home Decor is more than a style, it is a lifestyle and philosophy. It is about creating a warm, lived-in, soulful home where natural materials, soft colors, cozy textures, and meaningful objects foster comfort, nostalgia, and a mindful connection to daily life and nature. Practicality and beauty. Everyday objects double as decor. Teapots, bowls of fruits, jars of grains, stacked books, blankets jumped on chairs. The home is functional yet visually pleasing, blending practicality with warmth. The heart of Cottagecore Decor. Cottagecore Simple Home Decor is not just a visual style, it is a way of living. It celebrates imperfection, authenticity, and natural beauty. It creates a warm, inviting, and nostalgic home. Most importantly, it encourages solar, mindful, and more meaningful living. It integrates nature, textures, lighting, and personal meaning into everyday life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.